Most recent thing that I've read is that the average chief development officer only stays between 12 and 18 months. And so what we can do is step in during that moment of change and embed a team of fundraisers to really serve in that frontline fundraising position. We come in and serve as your frontline fundraiser, and we manage a team of existing staff, and we work side by side with the organization's CEO or executive director to go out and solicit a portfolio of really high value top prospects that are really critical to the organization.
I often am called upon to act as an outsourced executive director or CEO. What I've found is the primary function and challenge for any chief executive officer or executive director is not only to understand the mission of the organization and drive it and manage the staff, but in particular, it is to be the principal representative of the organization to the various communities and constituencies that we would want to represent.
When we work with our clients, we're truly embedded. A lot of times you'll find us at our clients' offices working 2 to sometimes 3 days a week, and we really become a part of their team. And in order to have a truly streamlined major gifts operation or fundraising team, from the donor's perspective, it's really important for us to be there in person and really act like their partners.
We come in and we bring a discipline to major gifts. There are several of us here that work at the org group that come from very established major gift programs. We not only understand the best practices, but we understand the cutting edge of major gifts, all the technologies that come in to working in major gifts. And we come in, we institute practices, we build teams, we develop the best way to work both for the organization and for the donors, and understanding best practices in major gifts.
When I work with our partner organizations, it becomes a very close relationship. And I think what makes that possible is establishing trust from day one. And I think you establish trust, and at least this is how I approach it, is through transparency, through honesty about what the challenges are that we're seeing, what the opportunities are, and being open and honest about that from day one. Because part of our role in working with any organization is to help them through periods of challenge, periods where they need change, and we're a partner to help them through that change. And the only way to really do that successfully is through a strong partnership, and that comes from a trusting relationship.